Assalamu alaikum, class 7, chapter number 2, rational numbers. Today we have to learn about how to represent the rational number on a number line. So we have to divide the segment between each pair of consecutive integers into two equal parts. So student, first of all we have to learn about what is a number line. When numbers are shown on a line, this is called a number line. इसके बिल्कुल मिड में 0. From 0 to left hand side we get the negative numbers -1, -2, -3, and from 0 to the right hand side we get the positive rational numbers like 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. So now we have to decide which number is greater and which number is smaller. Starting from left to right, the number are increasing like that: -3, -2, -1 and 0. So 0 is greater than -1, -1 is greater than -2, -2 is greater than -3 and up to so on. So 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1 and 3 is greater than 2. So जैसे जैसे हम राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं, नंबर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So -2 is less than -1, but 2 is greater than 1. So माइनस में जो नंबर जितना बड़ा होगा वो नंबर उतना ही छोटा होगा. इसी तरीके से -100 is less than -1. -1 is greater than -100. Okay students, now we have to draw the number line of these numbers. So first of all 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on, and -1, -2, -3 up to so on. So now we have to put -3/2 on a number line. Minus means the number on the left hand side. So -3/2. All the parts are over 2, over 2, over 2 and over 2. So we have to divide the each segment into two equal parts like this. Same equal parts. This is also an equal parts. This is an equal parts. Like here, we have to divide the each segment into two equal parts because in the denominator there is a 2. Alright. Now we have to put -3/2. So this is a 0 and this is 1/2. This is 2/2 and in the minus there is a minus sign. This is the -3/2. So -3/2 is just this. -1/2 is that point, and positive 1/2 0, 1/2, 2/2, 3/2 and this is 4/2. So we have to put 1/2. So 1/2 is this point. We have to circle it, and 3/2 is this point. So similarly, like the above example, if we have to divide the segment between each pair of consecutive integers into three equal parts, we get the rational numbers this: -5/3, 4/3, 2/3, minus में -1/3, then 1/3, 2/3, 4/3 and 5/3. Now we have to put these numbers on a number line, like 0 is here and 3 is in the denominator. So we have to divide the each segment into three equal parts. So this is the first part, second and third. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So we have to put the number 0, 1/3, 2/3. This is 4/3. This is 4/3. So this is the 3/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 6/3, 7/3, 8/3 and this is 9/3, 10/3 and 11/3. Like here on the negative sign also. So we have to put the -5/3 is here, -4/3, -2/3, -1/3, 1/3. So we have learned that number increase to the right on the number line and they decrease to the left on the number line. Now we have to do some questions according to this topic. Exercise 2A, question number 8. Represent the following rational numbers on a number line. Now we have to draw these rational numbers on a number line. First of all is minus 11 over 4. So we have to divide the each segment into 4 equal parts. So first of all we have to draw a number line and put a number 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 11 over 4, it means this is a negative rational number, so it can be lie here. Now we have to divide the 4 equal parts of each segment. We have to divide the each segment into 4 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means this is the first distance, second, third and fourth. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we divide the each segment into 4 equal parts. Then we have to count. This is 0. This is 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, 4 over 4, 5 over 4, 6 over 4, 7 over 4, 8 over 4, 9 over 4, 10 over 4 and 11 over 4. So minus 11 over 4, it means minus 11 over 4 is that point. Now we have to draw the minus 2 on a number line. So it can be quite easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 is as it is lie on a number line. So we have to mark minus 2. Question part number 3 is 2 over 5. Now we have to divide the each segment into 5 equal parts. So as we know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the point 0, 1 over 2, 0, 1 over 5 and 2 over 5. So 2 over 5 point is positive, so it lie on the right hand side and we have marked 2 over 5 on a number line. Okay, student, question number 9 is, do both minus 2 over 3 and 2 over minus 3 represent the same negative rational number? So the answer is yes. Minus 2 over 3 and 2 over minus 3 represent the same negative rational number as minus 2 over 3 and 2 over minus 3. So we can multiply it with minus 1 in the numerator and denominator also. So the answer is minus 2 over minus plus 3 ones are 3. So they are equal. So minus 2 over 3 and 2 over minus 3 represent the same negative rational number. Alright students, now we have to learn about what is the standard form of a rational number. We know that every fraction can be expressed in its lower terms by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor. The same can be done for rational numbers. One can express a rational number in such a form that its denominator is positive. The first step is we have to make the denominator positive. And the second is by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor. So first of all, the first example is 6 over minus 8. 6 over minus 8. So as we know that 6 over minus 8, the greatest common divisor is 2. So 6 over minus 8 divided by 2. We have to dividing the numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor. So the answer is 2 3s are 6 and minus 8 divided by 2, the answer is minus 4. Now we have to make the denominator positive. So for that we have to multiply it with minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. So the answer is minus 3 minus plus 4 ones are 4. So minus 3 over 4 is in the standard form. So minus 3 over 4 is such that its numerator and denominator have no common divisor other than 1. And the denominator of the number is positive. A rational number when expressed in this form is said to be in standard form. So we have to do 16 multiplied by minus 1 and minus 56 multiplied by minus 1. So it will become minus 16 over minus plus 56. Now the denominator becomes positive. Now we have to find the greatest common divisor of 16 and 56. So the greatest common divisor of 16 and 56 is 8. So minus 16 divided by 8 and 56 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So minus 2 over 8 sevens are 56. So minus 2 over 7 is in the standard form. because it is in the lowest form, lowest term, and the denominator of the rational number is positive. So minus 2 over 7 is in the standard form of 16 over minus 56. Okay students, now we have to ordering rational numbers. Rational numbers can be arranged in order of magnitude on the number line. For example, we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means lowest to largest, lowest number to greatest number. So 6 over 7, 4, 2.45. Now we have to put this number on a number line. So this is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 up to so on. These are the number on the number line. Now we have to 6 over 7 drawn on the number line. So 6 over 7 is positive. So on the right hand side 0 and 1 we have to divide the segment into 7 equal parts. So this is a part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the part 1 over 7, 2 over 7, 3 over 7, 4 over 7, 5 over 7 and 6 over 7. So 6 over 7 can be drawn here. Now 4 is on the number line. 2.45 is nearly approximately to 2.5. So 2 and 3, in the middle of 2 and 3 there is a 2.5. So 2.45 is nearly approximately to 2.5. So 2.45 minus 3 and a half, it means minus 3.5. Minus 3.5 will be lie between minus 3 and minus 4. 0 and minus 1.222 is nearly approximately to 1.5. So 1.5 से थोड़ा सा पीछे 1.222. So the numbers in ascending order are minus 3 1 over 2, minus 1.222, 0, 6 over 7, 2.45 and 4. Okay students, now we have to compare the rational numbers. Rational numbers can be compared easily when they are represented on a number line. Few numbers are represented on the number line. So any number on the number line is greater than any other number lying to the left of it, as minus 3 over 5 is greater than minus 7 over 5. Thus 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5. 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5 and 7 over 5 is greater than 3 over 5. Like that, minus 1 over 5 is greater than minus 3 over 5 and minus 3 over 5 is greater than minus 7 over 5. So like that, 2 over 5 is less than 4 over 5, 2 over 5 is less than 4 over 5 and minus 4 over 5 is greater than, minus 4 over 5 is less than minus 2 over 5. So when we have to compare the two rational fractions, we have to make their denominators same and then we have to pick up the larger numerator term. So now to have to take an example, 3 over 7 and 4 over 9. So first of all we have to make the denominators equal. So 3 over 7 and 4 over 9. The LCM of the denominators are 7 and 9 is 63. So we have to make the 7 as 63 denominator. So we have to multiply it with 9 and on the numerator also. 3 9 is 27 and 7 9 is 63. And same as 9 7 is 63. So 4 multiplied by 7 and 9 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 7 4 is 28 and 7 9 is 63. LCM of 7 and 9 is 63. So we have to make the 7 as 63. So we have to multiply 7 with 9 to make them 63. We have to multiply by 9 on numerator and denominator too. So 3 9 is 27 and 7 9 is 63. Now 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. So we have to multiply by 7 on both numerator and denominator. 4 multiplied by 7 and 9 multiplied by 7, that is equals to 7 4 is 28 and 7 9 is 63. Now their denominator are same, 63 and 63. Now we have to compare their numerators. So 28 is greater than 27. 28 is greater than 27. So 28 over 63 is also greater than 27 over 63. Now we have to put the original fractions which are given in the questions. 28 over 63 is the answer of 4 over 9. So 4 over 9 is greater than 3 over 7. Now comparison of two integers is easier. For example, 4 is less than 6, 7 is less than 9 and 9 is greater than 8. As we know that. But minus 4 is greater than minus 6. As I tell you, जो नंबर जितना बड़ा माइनस में होगा वो उतना ही छोटा होता है जब हम उसको माइनस में कंपेयर करें. So minus 7 is less than, minus 7 is greater than minus 9 and minus 9 is less than minus 8, etc. Now we have to do example number 6. Which of the two rational numbers 3 over minus 4 and minus 5 over minus 7 is greater? Now we have to tell which rational number is greater. So first of all we have to write the two rational numbers so that their denominators are positive. First of all we have to put in the standard form. So for the standard form we have to make the denominators positive. So 3 over minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 over minus 1, that is equals to minus 3 over minus plus 4. Like that, minus 5 over minus 7, that is equals to minus 5 multiplied by minus 1, minus 7 multiplied by minus 1, that is equals to 5 over 7. Now we have to take their LCM. The LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. Now we have to make their denominators 28. So minus 3 over 4, we have to make the denominator is 28. So we have to multiply by 7. Multiply by 7, that is equals to minus 21 over 4, 7 are 28. So 5 multiplied by 4, because 7 4 the 28. So multiply by with 4. The answer is 5 for the 20 and 7 for the 28. So minus 21 is less than 20. Minus 21 is less than 20. So minus 21 over 28 is also less than 20 over 28. So minus 21 over 28 is the answer of minus 3 over 4 is less than 20 over 28 is the answer of 5 over 7. So the rational numbers which are given in the question is minus 3 over 4 is the 3 over minus 4 is less than minus 5 over minus 7. Okay students, now we have to summarize the topic. Steps for comparing two rational numbers. What are the steps to compare rational numbers? Number 1 is rewrite the given rational number so that their denominators are positive. We have to make the denominators positive. Point number 2, express the rational number with a common denominator. Then we have to make the denominator equal. Point number 3, finally compare the numerators. Now we have to compare the numerators. The one with the larger numerator is greater. Is reciprocal of a rational number. If you are asked to determine a number by which another number say 5 is to be multiplied so that the product is 1. मैं आपसे ये कहूँ कि आप 5 एक नंबर है, आप इसको किसी एक ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारे पास आंसर 1 आ जाए, तो एग्जैक्टली वो 5 है को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमारे पास आंसर 1 आ जाए. सो वो 1 over 5 होगा, बिकॉज 5 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा और आंसर आ जाएगा 1. सो द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 5 इज 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is a reciprocal, is same as 1 over 5 is the reciprocal of 5 and 5 is the reciprocal of 1 over 5. Similarly, the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3, because when we have to multiply 3 over 4 with 4 over 3, we get the answer 4 cancel out with 4 and 3 cancel out with 3. The answer is 1. When we get the answer 1, this is the reciprocal of each other. And the reciprocal of minus 5 over 6 is 6 over minus 5, like minus 5 over 6 multiply by 6 over minus 5. So minus 5 will be cancelled out with this minus 5 and 6 will be thus cancelled out with this 6, and the answer is 1. So if we have to write in the standard notation, this is the minus 6 over 5. Now we have to start our exercise 2b. Now question number 1 is fill in the blanks. 56 over minus 96 is expressed in standard form as. So we have to put it into the standard form. So first of all, the first step is to make the denominators same. So we have to multiply with minus 1 in the numerator and the denominator as well. So the answer is minus 56 over minus plus 96. So the answer is 56 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 56 and minus plus 96 ones are 96. Now we have to find the greatest common divisor, that is 8. So we have to divide 8 on numerator and denominator as well. So minus 7, 8 7 the 56 and 8 12 the 96. So minus 7 over 12 is in the standard form. Part number 2, which of the fraction is greater, 3 over 4 or 11 over 15? So we have to solve it. Their denominator are positive, so we have to take their LCM. 4 and 15. LCM is 60. So we have to make the denominator 60. Now we have to multiply it with the same number which gives the denominator 60. And 11 over 15, by the same number we have to multiply to get the denominator 60. So 4 multiplied by 15 is equal to 60. So we have to multiply by 3 multiplied by 15. When we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 15, we get the answer 45, and 4 into 15 is equal to 60. Now 15 4s are 60. So 4 11s are 44 and 4 15s are 60. Now 45 is greater than 44. So it means 3 over 4 is greater fraction. Third part is the reciprocal of 5 over 7 is 7 over 5. Is 5 over 7 less than 2 over 5? No. Is 5 over 7 is less than 2 over 5? So we have to take the LCM of 7 and 5, that is equal to 35. So 7 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 7. 5 5 are 25 and 7 5 are 35. 7 2s are 14 and 7 5 are 35. So 25 is greater than 14. So it means 5 over 7 is greater than 2 over 5. So this statement is wrong. 5 over 7 is less than 2 over 5. No, 5 over 7 is greater than 2 over 5. The standard form of minus 9 over minus 8, minus minus plus 9 over 8. Okay, students, question number 2 is express the following rational numbers in standard form. First of all, we have to make the denominator positive, and then we have to divide both the numerator and denominator with the greatest common divisor, and then we get the standard form of the rational number. First of one is 4 over 6. The denominator of 4 over 6 is positive. So we have to find the greatest common divisor, that is 2, and we get the answer by dividing numerator and denominator by dividing by 2, and we get the answer 2 over 3. So the greatest common divisor of 4 and 6 is 2. Dividing the numerator and denominator by 2, that is equals to 4 over 6 is equals to 4 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 2 over 3 is a standard form of 4 over 6. Part number 2 is 4 over minus 9. So first of all, we have to make the denominator positive. So we have to multiply it with by minus 1 on numerator and denominator. The denominator of 4 over minus 9 is negative. By multiplying both the numerator and denominator by minus 1, we get 4 over minus 9, that is equals to 4 into minus 1, and minus 9 multiplied by minus 1. So 4 into minus 1, that is equals to minus 4, and minus minus plus 9 ones are 9. And there is no common divisor other than 1. So minus 4 over 9 is the standard form of 4 over minus 9. Part number 3, 4 and 5 is as same as part number 1 and 2. So you can solve it easily.